A few weeks ago, I posted a video introducing Facebook Business Suite, and let's just say that I got quite a bit of feedback in regards to that video. Here, let me give you an example of a couple of the questions that viewers had. Hi, maybe you can help me. Does Facebook Business Suite allow to make advertisement of my product for Facebook and Instagram, or is it not prepared for that? Thank you. 2, thank you. Now I'm a little confused. Facebook have Creator Studio app, Facebook Ads app, and Business Suite. If we use Business Suite, don't we need Facebook Ads and Creator Studio? Hope to get your answer. Now, if you have also found yourself asking some of these key questions in regards to Facebook Business Suite, like what are the full capabilities of Business Suite and why can't I find certain functions in the app, I will clarify some of these things in the video. I'm also going to review what the difference is between Facebook Business Suite, Facebook Creator Studio, and also Facebook Ads Manager, and give you a suggestion on how to use all three of those platforms if you want to as of October 2020. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. A friendly reminder that I release a new marketing video every week. So if you're into that and want to stay up to date and current with the information I'm putting out there, subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Facebook. All right, so let's jump right into our conversation today. Facebook Business Suite. Facebook Business Suite is Facebook's latest app that is supposed to help us manage our Facebook business page and our Instagram business profile simultaneously with ease. When I first read about Facebook Business Suite and also started digging into it, I downloaded the app myself and I started playing around in it. Now, I was really excited because I thought, great, if I can go ahead and just use one app instead of having to log into Facebook and Instagram separately, then that would save me a lot of time and it could be potentially something that I use on a daily basis. But I'm going to be honest with you guys, Facebook has a lot of work to do when it comes to this new Facebook Business Suite app. Apparently, a lot of the functionality is missing. They have quite a bit of bugs that are still in the app itself, and this just looks like a first phase of an app product that they prematurely launched and just kind of gave it to consumers to play around with. You would have thought that maybe they would have taken the time to really work through some of these, or maybe not release the app until some of the functionality that you find in Facebook Creator Studio was also available in Facebook Business Suite. But I will go ahead and let you guys decide for yourself what you think about it. I think that the best place for us to start this discussion is to review the platforms that Facebook currently has available to us to manage our business accounts. So let's take a look at those. If you run a Facebook business page you are currently using or have accessible to you, Facebook Ads Manager, which helps you create, organize, and keep analytics for all of the Facebook ads that you are running. Facebook Creator Studio, which helps you manage your Facebook business profile. You can post, look at analytics, and even schedule posts. You have the capability to link your Instagram account to this so you can effectively manage both accounts out of Creator Studio. And now, since September, Facebook Business Suite is available. Facebook Business Suite is a platform that was introduced to help you manage both your Facebook business page and your Instagram business profile simultaneously. All right, so I'm going to keep this really simple, and here's my advice. Facebook Ads Manager. You absolutely have to keep Facebook Ads Manager if you are doing any type of campaigns or running ads on the Facebook platform. So that is a must keep if you are doing that. Now, for the managing of your post, scheduling your post, uploading any type of content, video, managing your messages on Facebook or Instagram, for any of that, you're going to want to pick one platform, either Facebook Creator Studio or Facebook Business Suite. Now, which one of those you pick to use is actually highly based on how you use Facebook to advertise and market your business. I went ahead and made a chart so that you could see what each one of their capabilities are. Now, there is a big asterisk here that I want to tell you guys about. This video is being released October 2020, and Facebook is going to continue to dump resources into Facebook Business Suite, hopefully, which means that we are going to want to reevaluate Facebook Business Suite in the first quarter of 2021 to see how its capabilities have improved or if the app has gotten better. So I just want you to be aware of that. But as of October 2020, here is where each one of these platforms stands. While we all wish that Facebook Business Suite was really everything that Facebook had promised us whenever they made this announcement back in September, it simply isn't there yet. And y'all, I'm not the only one that thinks this. Take a look at some of the reviews that are on the Facebook Business Suite app. If you're an avid user of Facebook to promote and advertise your business, meaning you do more than just simply post on Facebook and Instagram, if you're using stories, if you're doing lives, if you're doing cross promotion and tagging a lot of people, if you're scheduling your post ahead of time and wanting to upload videos easily, you need to be using Facebook Creator Studio as opposed to Facebook Business Suite. Now, that may not be the case down the road, but as of right now, Facebook Business Suite simply does not have the capabilities to really maintain that level of engagement and use on the platform. If you've noticed any bugs or missing capabilities in Facebook Business Suite that you want to share with us down below in the comment section, please do so. I think that's going to be the best way for us to really stay up to date and informed on this app. I'll go ahead and update you guys periodically whenever I see that maybe a new feature is released, or perhaps if there's anything that they do to the app that makes it much better and much easier for us to use. If you like this video, remember that every week I release a new video with information just like this that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. Don't forget to check out my website at www.theseasonedmarketer.com, where I have a few freebies waiting for you. And thanks again, guys, for tuning into another Monday Marketing Minute video. I'll catch you next week, same time and place.